We juggle an ever-changing mix of calendars, databases, CRMs, and project management tools all day long. So when an important request comes through, it often means digging through this maze of apps and files just to find the information you need. Wouldn't it be great if you had an assistant that could cut through all of that faster than you ever could, pulling the relevant details together and crafting them into the perfect answer in an instant? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to build today. An AI-powered email assistant that doesn't just read your emails, but understands them, accessing your own data in real time. It can check your calendar for availability, pull information from your files, and integrate with hundreds of tools you already use every day. Whether it's your CRM, databases, project management apps, or any other software you rely on, this assistant can connect to them all. And it's all thanks to BuildShip's powerful AI assistant builder, which lets you easily create and customize an assistant that works exactly the way you need, without writing a single line of code. So if you're ready to take control of your inbox and the requests you get sent every day, and integrate powerful tools seamlessly into your daily routine, let's dive in and explore what's possible. We'll start here in the template section of BuildShip. We have a template called AI Email Assistant that will get you started really quickly. Over here on the right, we have the information panel, which gives you a good overview of this template. At first, it looks fairly simple, but let's dig deeper. We have the AI Assistant Builder, and we've pre-filled 3 tools within it. First, put in your API key for OpenAI. You'll get this from playground.openai.com. You'll then need an assistant ID. Again, you'll get this from playground.openai.com. Here are our instructions. Now, these instructions are key to ensure that our assistant operates the way that we want it to with the tools we've given it. Here you'll see we've given it the role of executive assistant, and under guidelines, we've been very strict about each tool we've given it, what it will do, how it should use it, and the output it should expect. And finally, we've asked it to respond in JSON, which correlates to the assistant ID we've created in playground.openai.com, where we've asked it to respond as a JSON object. Each of the 3 tools we've given it require us to authenticate. So make sure you go in and authenticate with each tool. Here in the Send Email tool, we've pre-filled the sender email and receiver email, but we're getting the assistant to pre-fill the subject and the response by using the assistant icon to the left of the input field. In the Get Availability tool, we're giving our assistant access to our primary calendar, but asking it to pre-fill the start and end dates that it wants to know about our availability from. And in the Get Product List tool, we've pre-filled a Google Sheet where it can find all of the product availability for our company. This is just a starting point. Say you wanted to give your assistant access to an Airtable document, a Slack channel, a Firebase collection, or any other resource to source its data from, you'd do it in the exact same way we've shown here and add it to the instructions under the guidelines. For now, we'll start with these 3 tools. And because we're using an email trigger, we get our own individualized BuildShip email address to kick off our workflow. So let's give that a go right now. Here we have a dummy email from Michael, who wants some information about our furniture range, as well as asking about our availability for a meeting next week. Say this comes through to my email address. I can easily forward this straight to my email assistant, who will draft a response ready for me to send back to my new potential client. By sending this to my unique BuildShip email address, I'll instantly invoke this workflow, and my assistant will send back the response in an instant back to me to review and then send on to the client. In this example, I'm reviewing the email before I manually send it back. But of course, you could send the response immediately back to the client or forward it further for approval. With BuildShip's extensive range of nodes and integrations, you can customize the assistant to interact with virtually any tool you use. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more insights on leveraging technology to amplify your work life. Let's build something amazing together. Let's BuildShip.